Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Bitbucket and create a new branch. This is essential for managing different versions of your code and collaborating with your team effectively. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to bitbucket.org. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct account associated with your repositories. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your Bitbucket dashboard. Now look over to the left sidebar where you'll find several navigation options. From there, click on Repositories. This will bring up a list of all the repositories you have access to, whether they're ones you've created or ones shared with you by your team. Next, you'll want to locate the left panel again, and this time click on Branches. This section is where all the magic happens when it comes to managing your code branches. It shows you all existing branches in your repository and allows you to create new ones for different features or fixes you're working on. Now that you're in the Branches section, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll see a button labeled Create Branch. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a new window where you can configure the settings for your new branch. In the Create Branch window, you'll first need to navigate to the Type field. Click on the drop-down menu below it, and you'll see several options appear. Select your preferred type based on what you're working on. You can choose from Bug Fix if you're fixing an issue, Feature if you're adding new functionality, Hot Fix for urgent fixes, or Other if your work doesn't fit into those categories. This helps keep your branches organized and makes it easier for your team to understand what each branch is for. After selecting the type, navigate to the From Branch field. Click on the drop-down menu here to select the branch you want to create your new branch from. This is typically the branch you want to base your work on, and it ensures your new branch starts with the latest code from that source. Next, you'll need to type a branch name in the field provided. Make sure the name is descriptive and clearly indicates what you're working on. This will help you and your team identify the purpose of the branch at a glance. Finally, once you've filled in all the necessary information, click the Create button. Your new branch will be created immediately, and you'll be able to start working on it right away. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new branch in Bitbucket, and you're ready to manage your code more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.